Hello guys, you must have ever heard of accidents of battery explosion, right? So, is there any risk of solar lights which are with batteries? The answer is yes, but the risk depends on what kind of batteries are used. This is our high-class solar light. This is an ordinary solar light. To reduce the risk of battery explosion, our high-class solar light is with high-quality light pure for batteries, which are with good performance. Besides, our controller it is with overcharge and over-discharge protection system. Compared with hardware protection, software protection can reduce the loss of charging power and ensure continuous charging of solar lights. To compare the performance of ordinary solar lights and our high-class solar lights, we are going to overcharge both batteries by this charging machine. We will see the test results later. Okay, here we go. This is high-class solar light. This is ordinary solar light. Okay, they are being charged now. We are simulating the overcharging process. In order to see the test results clearly, we have taken both batteries off. Now let's see the test results. We can see that this ordinary battery it is bulged up after the test, and this is high-class battery. It is still the same as before the test. That it is because this battery it is with AI battery protection system in the controller.